Hey guys, today we are at Chandni Chowk because the wedding season is right upon us and we are here to check out the bridal lehenga options in the best place of Delhi. Now you can buy your bridal lehengas in a lot of places, but Chandni Chowk is definitely one of the best. You get the best bang for your buck, but you can get a little lost in the bylanes here. If you do not know this place, it's impossible for you to come out here and find out lehenga of your choice in your budget. So today I'm going to show you 3 best shops in Chandni Chowk to shop at. Now we have a very special guest with us here. You have usually heard of him because he's been behind the camera. So I introduce you to Mr. Husband.
Hey everybody.
So,
good to be here.
Yeah, I'm sure they're happy to see you too.
Oh, absolutely. Chandni Chowk is an amazing place. I completely get lost every single time that I'm here, so I'm glad that I'll be able to get a guided tour just like you.
So are you excited to look at the lehengas?
This is going to be cool. They're going to be beautiful, right?
So I think we are ready, are we?
I think we're ready. Let's do it.
Are you guys ready? Let's go. As you can see, right behind us is the Gurudwara, and on that side of the road is...
That's Red Fort. I know that one.
Yes, that's Lal Killa, but that's not where we are going. Our destination is on the other side towards the town hall. All the 3 stores that we are going to are on this road.
All right.
Are you ready to go?
Hey dude, this is going to be awesome. Let's do it.
Let's go. Destination is Katra Pyare Lal, which is approximately 500 meters away from the Gurudwara. Our first destination at Katra Pyare Lal, shop number 291, Kamal Bhai. Now this shop is for the more traditional brides. Red, deeper shades, maroons, zardozi work, silk, velvet and net. This is your best bet. You can get a lot of options like this. Apart from this, you can also get a little gota patti and different colors. But my opinion, if you are the conformist bride, this is your place to go to. Now the prices here range from 30,000 to sky's the limit honestly, but you can get a good lehenga for 80,000 bucks. Now that we are done with our first destination, let's move on to the next. Now we are on to our second destination. Right next to the Katra Pyare Lal is the gully Naya Katra. Now this is the place where the legendary Om Prakash Jawaharlal store is there. This is exactly the shop from where I bought my lehenga and I am absolutely in love with it. Now this gully might look small to you, but make no mistakes, the store inside is 3 floors tall and 1 floor is completely dedicated to bridal lehengas. Whatever colors you want, whatever designs you want, whatever work you want, everything is available here. One thing about it though is that they do compromise on flares. So if you want a full Assi Kalika lehenga, you gotta tell them beforehand, otherwise you'll get a mermaid cut and you would not be very happy with it. Now that this destination is done, we are on to our final one. This is our final destination, Asiana Couture. Newest on the block, this store has been creating ripples. Blogs have been written about it, pages have been filled with its accolades, but you truly cannot understand what the hype is all about unless you go inside and see this store. Now what I love about this store is not only do you get a mean bridal lehenga here, you get other lighter lehengas which are fit for parties, other smaller functions, whatever you want. Even your other family members can easily go and purchase lehengas for your wedding right here. Now we have shown you the 3 best places to buy bridal lehengas in Chandni Chowk right here. Now Chandni Chowk is a labyrinth of a maze and you can get lost. It's very large, but you do not have to go to look at every single gully now because we have shown you what the best things are right here. Feeling more adventurous? Take a walk down from Balli Maran to Dariba Kala and you can buy everything that you want for your wedding right here.
So, does that mean we're done?
Yes, we are done.
You know what that means, right? Paratha and Golgappa. Let's get going. Come on, I'm so hungry.
Yes, you can get your parathas and golgappas now, hon. Let's go.
All right.
After a long and hectic day of tracking down the shops and eating, we're finally done here. And if you do like our video, please comment, share and subscribe. And do not forget to make other brides happy by showing them where exactly to shop for their lehengas in Chandni Chowk.
And don't forget to like the parathas here. They're absolutely amazing. Think we can get some more?
Yeah, I think it's time for us to go. Bye-bye.